applausi qua.
Ryanair is delighted to welcome you to Prague, where the local time is 5 to 5 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to complete and final stop. Can your captain has released you from your seat? If you smoke, please refrain from doing so until you have reached a designated smoking area, which is outside the terminal building. Exercise extreme caution while opening the overhead lockers, as your items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during landing for large and closing trays. For more information, car hire, hotel accommodation, please continue to log in at Ryanair.com. Finally, on behalf of your captain, first officer,
È la prima volta che la gente non ha fatto l'applauso al pilota. Ci sarà stato un motivo? Ciao a tutti, comunque siamo arrivati.